Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to fix Chrome. This site cannot be reached phone. So, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is first thing is just simply check your internet connection. So, guys, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now, if it doesn't work, you could try other connection, or you could just simply forgot the connection that you are currently in, and after that you could just simply reconnect back in order for you to fix the issue, or you could just simply turn on and off your Wi-Fi. Now if it doesn't work, you could just simply go ahead and restart your device. So a simple restart can mostly fix the issue, but if it still doesn't work, guys, the last resort that you have is you could just simply go to your Chrome, and after that, you could just simply tap on it, and you will have an option app info. And here, you could just simply go for the storage, and you will have an option manage storage. And from here, you will have an option clear all data. So guys, by clearing all the data, this will reset the Chrome, and mostly this can fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.